on guys, welcome back to the JuiceShop channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing video on the new Uwell Nunchaku kit. Now Uwell have always been known for making some really good vape tanks. This is their first attempt at a full kit. So without further ado, let's get stuck in and see exactly what we've got. So user manual right there as always, with all your specifications and instructions, always worth a read. Next up we've got the good old warning card. Always read that, know your do's and don'ts before you fire up your device, and then into the good stuff. So we'll get rid of the old silicone, nobody's interested with that. Let's take a quick look at the mod. So here we go, Uwell Nunchaku mod, and straight out the pack it is just screaming quality. Wow, I am actually really impressed with this one. So it's a removable 18650, variable wattage with temperature control, 80 watt output, and of course you've got 510 thread at the top and the handy micro USB charging port on the rear there. So they have got you covered on all aspects, but like I say, the first thing you're going to notice when you see this in the flesh is the actual build quality of it. It is some of the highest quality we've seen to date. So what we're going to do is grab my little Incredible Hulk battery. Hopefully he's awake and ready to work. Just going to screw the bottom on, see if he fires up. Okay, so here we go, straight up at 80 watts of power. So you have 80 watt output, and okay, so if you're up at 80 watts and you just press power up, it will actually go back to the lowest wattage setting, which is always handy for avoiding those burning coils. You know, when the device is in your pocket, you're not paying attention and somehow the power rakes its way all the way up to 220 watts. Well, you're not going to have to worry about that here. The worst you're going to have to do is just turn the power back up if the power up button is pressed. So it's going to work that back to 80 watts, leave him there. Just going to put it to the side for 1 second and take a look at this, this Nunchaku vape tank. So pop him out of there, and first off, wow, yeah, you can feel as well the build quality. It is perfect to match the mod, absolutely perfect. So out of the box, it is a 2mm TPD compliant tank. You've got your adjustable airflow at the bottom there, which is always good, but this one's got a little party trick up its sleeve. So if we just remove the bottom there, now the coil is just a pull plug and play design. So if we just work that out gently, you will notice that a rubber bung has also come out with it. So what we do is we're going to remove the rubber bung, put him to the side, and then we're going to fit it all back together again. And then just like that, you now have a 5mm vape tank ready to rock and roll. So have another look at this one. What do we got? So unscrew the top cap, top filling as always for maximum convenience, always good. And I think, yeah, removable 510 drip tip. As you know, there's various styles, designs and colours available on the market, so you can really personalise this one to however you're feeling. So I'm going to screw that together, and then yeah, look at that, really nice bit of kit. Like I say, the first thing you're going to notice with this when you see it in the flesh, if you see it in the flesh, is just how well it's been built. And like we say, it's the first full vape kit from Uwell, and from what we can see, they've done a really good job. So if you want to see it in the flesh, visit us at the Juice Shop or see it online at juiceshop.co.uk. Be sure to follow us on social media for all the latest news, reviews and giveaways. Thanks for tuning in, we'll see you soon, take care.